Welcome to our lesson on terms for pahi, or bus in Te Reo Māori. Okay, while we wait for the pahi to arrive, this is the tauranga pahi, or bus stop. Tauranga literally means a place to land. The concept comes from birds, and it was used by airports which are known as tauranga wakarererangi, or a place for planes to land. The same concept is used for tauranga pahi, or bus stops. Now we tatari. Wait. Here's the pahi. Before we sit down, we have to show the kaitaraiwa, or driver, our tikiti, or ticket. I carry my tikiti or ticket in my pahi, or backpack. Notice how it's spelt similar to bus but with a macron on the A. This is the importance of macrons. It can change the whole meaning of a kupu or word. So, pahi is bus, pahi is backpack. Some people use the traditional term for backpack, which is piko. A piko is a bag you carry on your back. My tikiti or ticket gets scanned by the kaitaraiwa driver. That's when we go to look for a turu or seat. Sometimes there are special seats, turu haua. These are usually reserved for kaumātua or our elderly. Sometimes when the bus is packed, it means I won't be sitting down, but instead standing and holding on to the kakau, or handles. Hope you enjoyed this brief lesson on the parts of a pahi or bus, and remember not to confuse it with pahi. Catch you next time.